Hi everyone, my name is Nashwa Deputy Nordin for STBC 3022 Genomic. I choose article about HK3 overexpression associated with epithelial mesenchymal transitions in colorectal cancer that published in August 2017. Introduction. Colorectal cancer is characterized by a severe genetic alteration including MSI, CIMP, CIN, which are associated with the development of a disease and its aggressive behavior. At molecular level, this process might be triggered by EMT and necessitate specific alteration in a cell metabolism. EMT is a conversion of the epithelial cell into a cell with a mesenchymal phenotype, which is accompanied by a decrease in the cell cohesion and fundamental reorganizations of the cytoskeleton. This article consists of 5 steps of methodology. The first one is bioinformatic analysis, where it uses cross-hub software and select the gene participate in a glycolysis, and EMT use a gene ontology. And next, we use a correlation analysis between the expression of the target gene, use a Spearman rank correlation coefficient. The second is a tissue sample. Tissue sample is collected from the patients in the Harzan Moscow Cancer Research Institute, and we classified based on morphology according to WHO and verified by American Joint Committee on a Cancer and Staging System. Third method is RNA isolation and reverse transcription. Nitrogen frozen tissue were homogenized and the total RNA was isolated using RNA-Z mini kits. Purified the RNA was quantified using a nanodrop 1000 and the RNA quality measured with the RNA integrity number. All RNA samples were treated with RNase-free DNase 1 and then we proceed into reverse transcription method. Next method is quantitative polymerase chain reaction that performed using a conversion primer probe set for the target gene. Primer and probes for the reference gene GUSB and RPN1 were designed early. These reactions are carried out by AB 7500 real-time PCR system, and each reaction was repeated 3 times. Relative mRNA level of the genes was calculated using ATG program compatible with a relative quantification of software. Last method is statistical analysis that used by SPSS10 software. The Wilkoven-Mann weakness and the Krakel-Wallace test were applied to analyze the differences in mRNA expression for the target genes in CRC sample. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient was used for a revealing correlation. A value of p less than 0.05 is considered statistically significant. Result in preliminary correlation analysis of gene expression based on TCGA project data. Based on the additional file 1 table S1 and additional file 2 table S2, a significant strong correlation was observed between HK3 genes and 60 EMT related gene, and both in a pair as well as a pool of tumor sample. The preliminary calculation of correlation coefficient between the expression of this gene and HK3 was carried out using cross-hub software and RNA sequence data from TCGA project that can be shown in additional file 3 table S3. A significant correlation was reported between the change in the expression HK3 genes and 5 additional genes involved EMT. So HK3 and set of 21 EMT related genes were selected for further assessment by a qPCR. Next, result in upregulation of HK3 gene expressions in CRC. By using qPCR, the expression of HK3 genes is quantified in 78 pairs CRC sample. HK3 mRNA level was upregulated from the 2 to 12-fold in 41% CRC sample as compared with a normal tissue. Over 2-fold decrease in the expression of HK3 genes was determined in a 40% of the cases, and the mean value of relative mRNA level was 1.7. So HK3 overexpression was not correlated with CRC progression stage. The expression of all selected EMT-related genes using qPCR is verified. The regulation in the expression of 11 genes was detected in CRC, shown in Table 2. Moreover, a few genes were downregulated by a over 2-fold in more than 40% of CRC cases. Result in correlation study between HK3 and EMT-related genes in CRC. In order to determine the correlation between HK3 and EMT-related gene, Spearman rank correlation coefficient were calculated, and we found a significantly strong correlation between HK3 mRNA level and expression of 7 from 21 eczema genes in CRC. However, only TP53 was detected that has a negative correlation between HK3. As we know, the first step of glycolysis is catalyzed by hexokinase. There are 4 hexokinase isoenzymes that encode separate genes, HK1, HK2, HK3, HK4. HK phosphorylate glucose to glucose 6-phosphate using ATP molecule as the phosphoryl donor. E-cadherin is well-known tumor suppressor protein and loss its expression in tumor cell is associated with increased tumor invasiveness and metastasis. Downregulation of E-cadherin is mediated by a serine transcription repressor. And significant positive correlation is shown between the expression of HK3, TWIS1, SNI2, ZIP2 genes in CRC. In the conclusion, it showed that the upregulation of HK3 genes in CRC is confirmed involved in the tumorigenition. Expressions of HK3 genes significantly correlated with mRNA level of important EMT transcription factor and a component. Thus, HK3 might precipitate in EMT process and that its upregulation could be one of the crucial chain for the adaptation of the glucose metabolism to EMT in CRC.